Hello everyone, this is Barkha Jain and today you are watching the Yoga Fitness with Barkha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, today I am starting the new series of yoga and I will upload some more information. So please watch my video till the end. Now today we will do the Surya Namaskar. Basically the Surya Namaskar is the sun salutation process in a 12 different asana. It means we will salute the sun to sun in a 12 different posture. Now, generally, the Surya Namaskar will do in the early morning from the empty stomach. There are a lot of benefits. Uh, it is good for your digestive system. It's improve our immune system. It increase the flexibility of body, and it also balance your body, mind, and soul. Those persons facing the problem of back and knee, please consult the doctor before doing these asanas. Now we will start the process of Surya Namaskar. The first is the Pranamasana or the prayer posture.
In this asana, stand at the end of your mat with facing the sun and hands folded in prayer position. Put your legs together and stand straight.
Second is the Hastot-asana.
Raised arm pose. You will bend backward while inhaling. In this posture, arms in the prayer position and slowly inhale and stretch backward to your whole body as much as you can.
The third is the Hastapada asana.
Hand to foot pose. You will bend forward while exhaling. In this posture, slowly exhale and bend forward. Touch your head to the knee after deep practice with your head. No leg bending. You may touch the finger tips in the final posture.
Fourth is the Vama Ashva Sanchalanasana.
Equestrian pose. In this posture, after slow and deep inhalation, push your right leg backward and gently place your right knee on the floor. Keep the hands and raise the head and look upward. The left knee should be placed in between the hands in the final posture.
Fifth is the Parvatasana.
Mountain pose. In this posture, exhale, lift the hips and the tailbone up, chest downward in an inverted V posture. Try as much as possible to keep your heels in contact with the floor. Look toward the navel. All your knee in the final posture. Breathe normally.
Sixth is the Ashtanga asana.
Salute with 8 parts of your body, including 2 feet, 2 knees, 2 hands, chest and chin. Gradually bring your knees down to the floor, then exhale. Slightly take your hips back and slide forward. Relax your chest and chin on the ground. The abdominal region is to be kept slightly raised. Breathe normally.
Seventh posture is the Bhujangasana.
Cobra pose. In this posture, slightly raise your head and chest up. Bend your spine as much as possible. Keep your shoulder away from your ears and looks up toward the sky on the ceiling in the final posture and breathe normally.
Eighth posture is Parvatasana.
Mountain pose again. In this posture, exhale, lift the hips and the tailbone up, chest downward in an inverted V posture. Try as much as possible to keep your heels in contact with the floor. Look towards the navel or your knees in the final posture and breathe normally.
Ninth posture is Dakshin Ashwa Sanchalanasana.
Equestrian pose. This is the same posture as we discussed in the first part, but there is a little bit variation. In the first part, we had pushed the right leg back, but in this, we will do the left leg back. In this posture, inhale and bring the left foot along the level of the hands, and the right foot and the knee touch to the ground, and look forward.
10th posture is again the Hastapada Asana.
Hand to foot pose. In this posture, again you bend yourself to forward and touch your head to the knee after the deep practice while touching your knee comfortably and putting your hands to the ground.
11th posture is the Hastot Asana.
Rest the arm pose. You will be bending backward while inhaling. In this posture, inhale and rest the hand overhead and bend backward as much as possible as the same posture number 2 or Hastot Asana.
The 12th one is the last posture is again the Pranamasana or the prayer posture.
Prayer pose. The last asana, slowly bring your hands as in the first posture. Exhale and relax in the Pranamasana.
Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share.